With the default settings of the Voxel remesher, you may get something like this. We can check the wireframe by enabling that option in the viewport overlays. Enabling the fixed poles and volume options already gives a better result. For even better results, you can use the Quadriflow Remesh option. However, this doesn't always work right away. In that case, do a Voxel remesh first. Let's enable the fixed poles and volume options once again. This time we'll use a smaller voxel size. Now we can use Quadriflow Remesh without issues. The two halves are separate, but using merge by distance we can solve that. Or you can use a mirror modifier. Using a shrink wrap modifier with a hidden duplicate of the original mesh as the target, we can fix any issues with the shape.